Hello everyone, so this is the transfer exam for Ca Ttu University at the first semester. And this is during the 105th school year. So here I'm going to explain what the concepts behind all these problems actually are. So let's take a look at the first problem. The first problem is about finding the limits of three functions. These limits are actually very straightforward. Now, the second problem is about finding the derivatives of three functions. In order to do this problem set correctly, you need to remember the correct usage of chain rules and also remember that the limit of sine x over x when x approaches 0 is actually 1. Now, as for the third problem, it is a tangent line of, well, a curve at a certain point. And this is very simple. You only need to find out the derivative of that function or the derivative of that curve, and then just apply the values of that point into this expression of that derivative. Now, as for the fourth problem set, it's about finding the extreme points of a curve. So to do that, you need to consider what the candidates are. They are when the x is at its endpoints, and when f prime of x equals to 0, and when f prime of x is non-existent. After considering these three scenarios, this problem should be, well, very easy to do. Now, the fifth problem is an application problem. If you can just formulate these descriptions into a formula, and the remaining calculations should be quite straightforward. Now, the last problem is about finding the integrals of several expressions. If you know how to use the integration by parts technique and how to change variables, then this problem set should be quite straightforward for you.